Hello guys, this is Emily and Wibesche here. Today we are going to talk about quarantine weight loss.
So before get into the video you have to do subscribe and like my video and don't forget to turn on your notification symbol. So let us get into the discussion. Hey Emily, what happened? Why are you looking so fat?
Yeah, this is quarantine time, so I didn't go to gym. Can you give me some tips for weight loss? Can I reduce my weight faster?
Yeah Emily, you can reduce your weight faster.
Really? How is it possible in a week?
Yeah Emily, it is possible.
I'm so excited to hear this.
So you have to take detox water daily.
What is detox water?
Detox water gives fresh feel. So every morning and night you have to take this detox water, Emily.
So how to prepare this detox water?
Thought's very simple, Emily. You need half cucumber, 1 lemon, you have to slice it, and ginger. Then you have to take 1 liter of water and add 10 mint leaves. And add sliced lemon and cucumber. After that add ginger. Drink this every morning and night. Soon you will have better results.
Okay, I will try. Before that, I am having some doubts regarding this detox water. We have to take this in empty stomach or after eating, and also what are all the uses? Can you explain me?
Yeah, sure Emily. Every early morning you should have this drink, and if you want to have in between also you can take this detox water. For better results you have to use hot water and honey. Lemon and mint both are deadly combo. I love this drink. Lemon has citric acid and also vitamin C enrichment, so you can have it. Mint gives freshness to your mouth. Cucumber gives freshness. And honey is a fat cutter. Ginger improves digestion. So this is one of my favorite detox water I use to drink in every morning and before going to bed. And there will be no side effect. And for your kind information, if you have also reduce the lemon quantity and add warm water and honey more.
Yes, Wibesche, thank you so much for your quarantine weight loss tips. I'll try this and tell you.
Okay Emily.
So thank you so much for watching our discussion patiently. Hope you all like this video. Do share this video and comment. Try this detox water.
Bye bye guys. See you all in another video.